Statistics show there are over 2 million people living with diabetes in Taiwan. But did you know that loss of sight is one of the extreme symptoms of the disease? Although most diabetes patients will not lose their eyesight, the rate of blindness for diabetes patients is higher than average. We spoke to nutritionists and doctors to learn how people with diabetes can manage their condition.
然后再来就是苹果片。
Black rice, vegetables, cheese, and tuna to replace red meat, wrapped up in a seaweed blanket. This lunch is part of the blood pressure relieving DASH diet. As the weather cools, shifts in temperature can spike your blood pressure, but your diet can help.
One of the key things about the DASH diet is it's rich in potassium and fiber, as well as high calcium and high magnesium foods. Its main feature is that it can reduce your cholesterol as well as your saturated fatty acid intake.
People with blood pressure issues can easily be affected by a quick drop in temperature. For people with diabetes, their blood sugar levels can fluctuate as well, which, if unregulated, can cause kidney problems. In the worst case, complications like macular degeneration can lead to blindness, but diabetes can be asymptomatic at first.
In the early stages of diabetes, if you have just a slight macular degeneration, your eyesight won't be affected, so you won't be able to tell. We can only detect it through fundus imaging.
Diabetes is one of the biggest causes of blindness in Taiwan, with diabetes patients losing their sight at 20 times the average rate.
The longer the patient has diabetes, the higher chance of developing complications. If you have diabetes for 10 years, there's a 10% chance of macular degeneration. After 15 years, a 30% chance. After 20 years, an 80% chance.
Diabetes patients should have regular eye checkups while controlling their blood sugar, limiting their consumption of fat, salt, and sugar, eating plenty of fiber, and exercising regularly. Weight control, regular tests, and medication are all necessary. There are 146 health centers in Taipei City offering tests, and the city's Department of Health urges all diabetes patients to get tested regularly, which can greatly reduce the risks of sight loss.